Just a quick little bonus Sunday video for you today. After a couple of ridiculously messy projects, making the cot for the nursery and then flattening the ash boards, the workshop was left in this state. It was covered in sawdust after using the router to cut the cot side panels, literally filling every inch of the workshop in MDF dust. And then it was covered in bits of ash dust from the flattening bit on the router sled, and also bits of offcuts sprawled all around the place. So it was definitely time to give it a good clean before moving on to the next project. Hopefully you enjoy this satisfying transformation, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all of these upcoming projects.